Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafianus Pasiki Solu. My major nautical department. I'm from AMI IP Makassar.
Hello, my name is Sarul. My major nautical department, AMI IP Makassar. Excuse me, could you will me way to Pondok Deva?
Yes. From here, go along this street. There's an intersection. Turn left. After that, go right. There's an alley with a painting in the wall. Turn right. Beside the first house, there's Pondok Deva.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Excuse me, could you tell me the way to Pondok Deva?
Yes. From here, this street, there's intersection. Turn left after that, go straight, then alley will painting in the wall. Or turn right beside the front house, there's Pondok Deva.
Thank you very much.
You're right, welcome.